Time for another update on the RGV 250. So I've gone through the box of spares and got all the nuts and bolts out from the catalogue. Fitted the fairings. Put all the lights and blinkers on. Put the front V panel. So I had to start it before and drain all the oil lines to make sure they work, and now it's just running premium. So I'm just waiting on the fuel tank to come back painted and the back panel there, as well as the front guard for the wheel. I'll just start it up and let you know what it sounds like. So power valve's going on and off. Sounds pretty sweet. Adjusted the idle and cable so it idles nicely. Both carbies are balanced now. Got the same amount of pressure coming out of the exhaust pipe. As well. Once you get the tank on and the back part, I'll be able to put all the stencils on and then register, and it's ready to ride. Thanks for watching.